how to export contracts from Pipedrive 2024. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can export contacts from Pipedrive in the easiest and most simplest way. So for this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your Pipedrive dashboard. Now over here, simply go ahead to the contact section down here. And if you want to go ahead and export all of these, what you can simply do is come over here to these three dots in the top right. And over here, you can click on export to MailChimp. Okay. So you're going to click on that. And you're obviously going to make sure that you do have MailChimp on your platforms. So once you have MailChimp, simply go ahead and authorize MailChimp to let your contacts go ahead, and you're going to click on install. Now, once you click on install, what it's going to do is it's going to ask you your MailChimp account. So simply go ahead and add your MailChimp account details. So I'm going to be right back. Now, once you've added your MailChimp account and authorized it, it's simply going to bring you here, and all of your contacts from Pipedrive will be exported straight to your contacts in your MailChimp. So that is pretty much about it. That is how you are going to go ahead and export all your contracts from Pipedrive. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.